I can definitely. So I've been playing with this um, model that I've downloaded from Sketch 5, and it's really good. It's the USS Hornet. It turns out this model has also B-25 bombers. And I was playing with this. As you can see, I'm like animating this, putting in, setting up so that I could animate this. It's on YouTube right now. And then I had a ton of fun with that. And and now it's like I want to see. I want to learn more about the aircraft now. So and that made me like investigate more of how did this aircraft got created. So I went to YouTube and looked for videos, and I found this one. Basically, it was there's a manufacturing and assembly plant in Kansas City, and they were assembling this bomber. And I was watching this video, and just interesting how they made this right there. And see how they assemble it in the final piece. Interesting. And I did enjoy watching this segment. Yeah. So now I went to Google and also started downloading references, just pictures. So yeah, just looking at them, trying to familiarize with the basically the diagram. Yeah. And I was like, okay, this is an interesting plane, and I can get a lot of information from the internet now. And maybe I could model this from what I have in my computer. Maybe a more detailed version of the B-25. I've looked at Sketch 5, and they don't have free versions of a model on Sketch 5, so maybe I could create one, my own, and upload it there and just make it free. And yeah, I'm just like having fun though. This is my hobby, and just a lot of time just gets spent, just having fun with these models. And I was like thinking that guy made a model of the B-25 and the USS in Hornet, and I was like really enjoyed a lot of it. So now I guess it's my turn to contribute on my own. See everything here. That's a nice diagram of the bomber. Um, I could set up a model where the frames are like created. Of course, this is gonna be for studying the structure of the plane. I already have a model which I can play. and animate, and I could probably produce a version of that, using this diagram, and just have fun with it. See how they got created. It's like it's a very interesting process though. And I've learned a lot from this just by just watching this. The rivets, all of them are made are I mean the panel is like riveted to the structure. That's how the skin is I mean fabricated. This is the bomb section, and the bomb doors. It's like the gunner section. Yeah, model. Yeah, been learning a lot, and who knows? Who knows? Maybe it's this is definitely like setting up a mesh, just with all this information. I could probably animate it as well and see how it works. That's a nice um, restoration. Yeah, this one's already flying. Interesting. See the sections there? I could just model this out. Yeah, and look at the frames here. The panels are just like riveted to it. The frame. Interesting. This one's type dimensions. This is basically general dimension of the plane. Inside, definitely I could use this. Lots of information here. Interesting. And I'm going back to this. See how this model, I could use this as my starting point because it already has the dimensions. I'll just have to like swap the what things that needs to be swapped out here to get more details in. Like the frame of the plane needs to be added in here. So that's not what I'm gonna do. Cause let's say here, if I'm gonna hide this, this is what it looks like. Yeah. The guy who made this, he made a good job on this. And let's see if I hide that again. See this part right here? He actually made it. He actually spent time creating this. Interesting. And then what else? If I had that, the guns. He made this interesting. Look at that, textured, nice. So yeah, more details in the gun. Very nice. So very nice. Yeah, so that's my plan. Gonna start maybe later tonight and set up the frames using this dimension and see how that goes. So yeah, more fun coming for sure. All right, thank you for listening.